Hello everyone, welcome back to Storytime with Hajra. Today we are reading Sesame Street. Everyone has value with Zoe. So let's get started. What is respect? Respect means treating other people the way you want to be treated. Everyone is special. Everyone deserves respect. Showing respect. Show respect when your friends talk. Listen quietly. I listen to every word Slimy says. Use kind words when you speak. Say please and thank you. I always say por favor and gracias. Act with respect. Be gentle and understanding. My sister, Julia, doesn't like regular hugs, so we do starfish hugs with our hands. People might do things differently from you. They deserve your respect. How can you respect someone who does things differently? People might have different ideas than you do. They deserve your respect too. Bert and I don't always agree. He is still my buddy. Follow the rules at school and at home. Why do you think it's important to respect your teachers and parents? Respect your belongings. Take good care of your toys and books. I keep my fairy tale books sparkling. Choose healthy foods, sleep well, and exercise. Treat everyone with respect, including yourself. How else can you respect yourself? Be a buddy. Put on a play with a friend. Imagine you are a teacher and your friend is a new student in your classroom. Your characters are showing each other respect. How are you showing respect? How are you speaking with respect? Act it out.